Hello, I am Professor Richard S. Tedlow, and I'm excited to tell you about an upcoming event that I am co-hosting with Dr. Maurizio Fava. This event is called Managing Mental Health Challenges in the Workplace. It is an exclusive workshop designed to help executives create a workplace that promotes mental health and well-being. This workshop is being held on October 14, 2023 at the Massachusetts General Hospital Star Center in Boston. In the coming years, mental health will be at the forefront of business management. Many people applying for work say that a company's mental health culture and its benefits will play an important part in shaping their decision to accept a position if offered. Not only does taking an active approach to mental health in the workplace appeal to employees, studies have shown that this active approach also contributes to increased productivity. Obviously, therefore, neglecting mental health issues can result in lost productivity and the resultant costs incurred. So companies must act. Leaders need to be proactive and prepare for a shift toward an improved psychological work environment.
Hello, I'm Dr. Maurizio Fava, and I'm thrilled to be co-hosting this workshop with Dr. Tedlow. Mental health is such an important topic, and it's crucial that executives understand how to create a supportive workplace culture while learning to deal effectively with the issues that arise in the context of mental illness in the workplace. At this workshop, we'll be discussing critical psychological challenges that often play a very important role in leadership.
The purpose of our workshop is to host a discussion about how psychological issues can be identified and managed by executives who are not themselves mental health professionals. Questions addressed will include: how do leaders deal with talented employees who may be facing mental health challenges? How can leaders themselves achieve a perspective on their own behavior and manage it to the benefit of those with whom they interact? How do subordinates manage up when dealing with a visionary leader whose visions are sometimes not altogether rational? We will analyze these questions through the lens provided by three remarkable individuals: General George S. Patton, fashion designer and entrepreneur Kate Spade, and famed industrialist Henry Ford. The stories of these three people illustrate lessons from which those ambitious to make a dent in the universe can profit. All that said, this workshop is not only about learning, it is also about networking, connecting with other professionals who want to promote mental welfare in the workplace.
The ideal audience for this workshop is executives from all industries who are committed to building a workplace that prioritizes mental wellness. We'll also have plenty of networking opportunities, and you'll have a chance to learn from other executives who are leading the way in this important area.
So if you're an executive who understands the necessity of mental health in the workplace, we encourage you to sign up for this workshop. You will gain practical tools and strategies, you will interact with other professionals, and you will have the opportunity to learn from two people for whom these issues have been front and center all their professional lives, Dr. Fava and myself. We are very much looking forward to this event. We believe it is an opportunity you won't want to miss. We hope to see you in Boston on October 14. Thank you very much.